All right, fellow apes. XMAX Trading here. Just saw some good news on AMC. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you can. Like this video and hit the bell icon for new updates. And let's get into it. So, AMC is pretty good news. AMC signs a deal to lease the Grove and Americana, two of Los Angeles' top grossing cinemas. They're going to lease them. AMC is taking over the leases of the Grove shopping complex and the Americana at Brand, two of LA's most lucrative theater locations, both locations formerly operated by Pacific Theaters. AMC is expected to open these theaters in August, so that's less than 2 weeks away. So that's really good news. For the turnaround of AMC is coming around. New cash is coming out of COVID. Some concerns about Delta variant, but that's those infections. Not financial advice, but those infections are coming from mostly unvaccinated people. There could be a concern about Delta growing even bigger, but keep an eye on it and get another booster shot if we need to. All right, AMC Theaters. AMC Entertainment, the world's largest cinema entertainment, is adding 2 more LA locations to its roster. On Monday, the movie theater chain said it was taking over the leases of the 14-screen cinema at the Grove shopping complex in the Fairfax neighborhood and 18-screen location at Americana Brand in Glendale. Both locations formerly operated by Pacific Theaters and owned by the real estate company Caruso. In April, Decuron, which owned the Pacific Theater and ArcLight Cinema chain, said it would not be opening at 17 locations. AMC, which has collected more than $1.6 billion in cash from stock sales from retail, had previously disclosed it was looking at several of Decuron's old leases, looking for locations that had strongest ticket sales before the pandemic. The Grove Theater has the second highest rating gross cinema, and America has the 5th highest grossing cinema in the LA area. AMC expected to reopen these theaters in August. Those numbers are from 2018. These 2 theaters each are located in world-class lifestyle centers offering best in retail, dining, entertainment options. AMC CEO Adam Aron said Monday each was conceived and run by Caruso, one of the largest and most admired privately held real estate companies in the U.S. Expanding AMC's footprint has always been part of Aron's strategy. Adam Aron acquired Carmike, Odeon, and Nordic shortly before taking the role of CEO in 2015. Shares of the company are unchanged after the closing bell, but are down more than 40% last month. Price of the company has been cut in half from its peak of $72, which was hit in early June. Wild swings came as the stock swept up in Reddit investing craze along with other meme stocks. So I think there's a lot of good news. If you look at the technical analysis of AMC, what I'm thinking, this is on the daily. Look at the stochastic. I think it's going to pivot at some point. The price action is hitting this 0.618, and hopefully it's bouncing off of there. If it's bouncing off the 0.618, I believe, not financial advice, entertainment personally, it'll start to go back up and start interacting with these other Fibonacci numbers. I don't know how long that will take, but that's my guess. Look at the RSI. RSI is getting down there. That's getting into oversold territory. Okay. Oops, I don't want to compare. Look at the MACD. MACD is due for a pivot to swing upwards. So I think it's looking good. This may take longer than what we thought as retail traders, retail investors, but I think that the positive definitely outweighs the negative. This might be a momentary surge down. And then I think volume was on the light side. Yeah, volume's on the light side. It was light up here, and that probably helps it collapse. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, so that was really way oversold. It went up, hit the Fibonacci line, got close to Fibonacci, went back down, interacting with the fib line right here. That's a whisker right there, whatever you want to call it, and then back upwards. All right, guys, until next time.